How to find your hidden WhatsApp block list. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to view your blocked contacts on WhatsApp. So if you have previously blocked someone or want to check or manage your block list, just follow these easy steps, and without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, simply select settings. And now once you are in your settings section, simply tap on the option labeled as privacy. And now here under the privacy section, simply scroll down and tap on the option labeled as blocked contact, and you'll be taken to the page displaying all your blocked contact. And that's it. Now you have successfully accessed your block list on WhatsApp. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.